Today, we're diving into a full review of KidStudio AI. AI-powered learning adventures. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews without hiring anyone, coding anything, or paying monthly. Help other businesses and marketers who have these same problems, and potentially earn 4, 5, or even 6 figures plus doing it. I'm guessing most marketers and business owners would jump at the chance to get advanced content creation tools and set up their own highly profitable kids brand, while saving boatloads of time and money in the process. Wouldn't you agree? With KidStudio AI, you get all the tools you need: kids video creator, coloring page designer, coloring book generator, and more, in one seamless system. Scale your digital kids brand across multiple niches: stories, learning, morals, bedtime tales, and more. Create up to 100 kids videos, but get unlimited creation rights for coloring books and pages, all without paying extra. KidStudio AI is a tool that lets you. Let's say you have a client who wants to launch a kids story channel on YouTube. With KidStudio AI, you can help them create beautiful, AI-generated storytelling videos complete with backgrounds and animations without needing a camera, editor, or animator. They can upload unlimited videos in categories like fairy tales, moral lessons, superhero adventures, funny bedtime stories. Now, your client isn't stuck spending $1,000 plus per video. They can grow their subscriber base, monetize with ease, and publish daily content. Or maybe you're building digital products for a parenting blogger or etc. seller. With KidStudio AI, you can offer them. They'll get more engagement, more shares, more sales. And you just tapped into an entirely new freelance service, with zero production stress. Let's say you're a PLR producer. Use KidStudio AI to create kids video content, coloring books, and coloring pages without any content creation cost or hiring freelancers. Create bundles and sell them as PLRs, build buyers lists and generate leads easily. Hundreds of marketers and kids content creators absolutely love KidStudio AI. Carlos Mendez. As a kids YouTube creator, staying consistent with content was tough, until I found KidStudio AI. Now I produce 3 to 4 animated storytelling videos a week without hiring voiceover artists or animators. I've grown my subscriber base and finally monetized my channel. This software does 90% of the work. KidStudio AI has become my go-to tool for building high-converting PLR bundles. The ebooks, videos, flip books, and coloring pages are all AI-generated, editable, and ready to license. I launched 3 new PLR packs last month alone, and they're selling like hotcakes. It's like having a full content creation team on tap. I use KidStudio AI to create bedtime stories, personalized coloring books, and educational videos for my daughter, and she loves them. I'm not tech savvy at all, but the platform is super easy to use. I even shared some content with other moms and they begged me to sell it. Before KidStudio AI, I was spending hours creating custom videos and printables for clients. Now, I deliver polished kids videos, coloring books, and ebooks in a fraction of the time, and I've doubled my monthly income on Fiverr. My buyers are amazed at the quality and speed. Total game changer. Step 2. Create. Now, let this groundbreaking AI get to work. Head over to the AI Creator Tools, Choose what you want to create: kids videos or coloring books or coloring pages. Enter your details, click generate. And voila! Step 3, publish and profit. That's it. Your brand new kids videos, coloring books and pages, perfect for stories, fairy tales, learning adventures, rhymes, and fun animations for children is ready to go. Create captivating kids videos instantly with AI. With KidStudio AI, you can create stunning, engaging kids content in just minutes, even if you've never edited a video before in your life. Perfect for built-in AI content writer, never run out of script ideas again. Coming up with stories, rhymes, or educational scripts can be exhausting, especially when you're trying to publish consistently. That's why KidStudio AI includes a powerful AI content writer built right into your dashboard. Just enter a few keywords or a theme, and the AI instantly generates. AI-powered rich video editor, specifically designed for creators. The built-in video editor comes loaded with professional-grade features that give you full control, even if you're a total beginner. AI Coloring Pages Creator. All creations are commercial-ready, meaning you can instantly download and sell them as printables, bundles, or physical books. Newbie-friendly interface. It has a super easy interface. Not even for a moment you will find it difficult to use. You need no tech expertise to use it. So, it's crystal clear that this is the perfect time to enter this niche and start your kids content business. Kids content is an evergreen niche that boasts a massive and global audience. And we're handing you the opportunity on a silver platter. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.